let's do this question. In this, it says a body is moving from rest. That means it is moving from a point A to C. Let us assume it is moving from a point from A to C. So the distance traveled by the body would be, in the first, it is, let us suppose, it is traveling P minus 1 seconds. Okay, so it is traveling for P minus 1 second. S1 will be the displacement in the first P minus 1 second. Let us assume it has traveled from A to C in P minus 1 second and C to D in T seconds. Okay, so the body is starting here. So initial velocity is 0. So the distance traveled from A to C, displacement traveling from A to C is equals to ut plus half at square. Initial velocity is 0. This is going to go away. So time is P minus 1, half into A into P minus 1 whole square. This is my S1. So this is our S1. Next, we'll see what is S2. S2 is equals to the distance traveled from A to D, that is in P seconds. So that would be ut plus half at square again. This part is 0, so that would be half A into P square. Okay. So we understood now what is S1 and what is S2. Now he's asking what is S nth second. That nth second is P square minus P plus 1th second. So we know for S nth second, we will use a formula that is S nth second is equals to U plus half A into 2n minus 1. This is what we are going to use. S nth second is equals to U plus half A into 2 minus 1. We know the n value is P square minus P plus 1. So the n value is equals to P square minus P plus 1. So let us substitute that. S nth second is equals to U plus half into A into 2 into P square minus P plus 1 minus 1. This U is 0, initial velocity is 0. So half into A into, multiply this inside 2P square minus 2P plus 2 minus 1. This is going to give me half A into 2P square minus 2P, 2 minus 1 is plus 1. This is our S nth second. So now, how will we get this nth second from S1 and S2? So for me, I think it is going to be this. Let us check with the options. Let us do S1 plus S2. So first, let us do S1 plus S2. S1 is how much? S1 can be written as S1 is equals to half into A into P square minus 2P plus 1. Then S2 is equals to half into A into P square. If I add them both, S1 plus S2, I'm going to get it as half A would be common. P square minus 2P plus 1 minus plus P square, sorry, plus P square, because we are adding, no? So this is going to give me half A into 2P square minus 2P plus 1. This is exactly same as S nth second, half A into 2P square minus 2P plus 1. So S1 plus S2 is equals to the displacement traveled by the body in P square minus P plus 1 per second. So option will be first option for this answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask again. Thank you.